My car caught on fire last night, and one of the only things I decided to get out of my car was some paperwork for a wholesale deal. I'm currently in the process of having to go to a court date on Wednesday in the morning, go against some squatters that's in the house that I'm trying to currently wholesale, and I'm expecting to make around $10,000 for that wholesale deal. So, hopefully when we decide to say these papers as well as my life, that I actually get to make this wholesale deal happen, especially with all the struggles I just went through. It's crazy. Imagine that those papers that blew up on me. I literally probably wouldn't have a deal right now. Hopefully I have a chance right now. No, I still think that wholesaling is a good way to get you out the mud. And so let's see if I'm proven right.